Oh man, it's finally time. Ooh, check out this billboard. I like it. They usually have like a photo op here, so I wonder if we're gonna do a photo op here this year. Oh man, so we've been here for like 2 seconds and have already ran into like three people we know. Tons of fun.
Yay, friends. We are
so, very exciting night because it is opening night for Howl-O-Scream.
We got here a couple hours early.
Yeah, because they're doing like this BOGO, buy one get one drinks.
And also we brought my little brother food for his first night of scare acting.
Yeah, my brother is an actor here. Tons of fun. Actually, it's another exciting part about all of this. It's like all of our friends, one, who aren't actors are here. So we're gonna get to hang out with a bunch of our friends, but also a lot of our friends are actors here. So I'm also really excited. Slightly bummed because I'm not acting.
But also not slightly bummed because we can go and do all the things.
Exactly.
So, you know, it's bittersweet.
But I'm excited
it's so
to see.
much fun to act and
yeah, it is. But I'm excited to see everybody, and hopefully everyone scares me. I made a post on my Facebook page that if someone could scare me, I'd buy them a beer. So we'll see what happens. See how many people I'm going to owe alcohol to. And they're also doing the media event tonight, and sadly, Bush doesn't like us enough yet in order for us to get invited. But that's okay, because we're still going to be here. Still going to have fun.
one day though.
One day, all the free alcohol will be ours. So this is inside of the Day of the Dead scare zone, and for those that know why this is really awesome, but also very sad. It's a nice little Easter egg for some of the HOS family. Sliders are out and about for the media event. Media event's in full swing. Obviously the sliders can't slide in this area, there's way too many people, but it's good to see them back. A little costume update. Tons of people here. Really cool seeing all these people. Hopefully one day we'll be invited to hang out and drink all the free alcohol, but not this time. Walking through Day of the Dead real quick. Excited to see this again at night. This zone looks a lot better at night than it does during the day. And the emojis, gotta love it. Look at these guys. Still as creepy as ever. It's a roaming horde called the Extermination Squad. Oh, they got like little sprayers. I dig it. These masks are really cool. Mega Monster. Hell on wheels. Love it. Oh, they're coming out too. Look at that. This was one of my favorite zones last year. Getting to run through and scare act, it was amazing.
This is the emergency broadcast system. This is not a test. For disease control, reported an outbreak of a new virus that affects the brain and regenerates dead tissue, prolonging life after clinical death. Please remain calm and listen to the radio or TV for official news updates. Stay indoors and maintain strict public safety.
Ah, yes. Sweet air. Hey, I know that mask. That mask is on my shirt. Oh man. I'm assuming this is a photo album. Man, check these girls out. This is awesome.
Message from your local authorities.
What is this? Is this photo op stuff?
Yes. Here we go, first house of the night. Got me.
Bring me a dream.
Alright, so we just got out of Motel Hell, and the updates that they did to that house are amazing. I really love it. They changed a lot of rooms, and it's a lot darker in there too, which is pretty amazing, incredible. Tons of fun. I do. But yeah, no, the updates for that house were awesome. Really enjoyed it. Still a wonderful house. Alright, so we're heading to Meat Market on our way to Simon's Slaughterhouse. See if there's any updates. And check it out, Freaks of HOS and HHN. Look at that. Some of the Meat Market photo ops. Don't think that guy was a fan of that scare actor. Looked a little scared. Alright, so Simon's was a little bit longer than we wanted, so we're gonna come back because we're here all night anyways.
Well, we're here all season anyway.
That's true too. Good point.
But the scare zone looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, Margaret
Like
looks
a
really
nice
awesome.
walkthrough.
And I like the little updates that they did too.
Yeah, it's definitely more homey.
Oh man, look at this
Got a
guy.
friend back here.
Big man.
Hey. Got some badass actors right now.
This is bush zone right here. As you can hear, you can't see crap. It's very dark. Oh look,
Somebody knew my name.
a walking bush that knows your name.
I wonder who it was.
I don't know. One of my favorite things about this zone last year is we used to work with a lot of the bushes to push people into them, to scare them. Also, they could scare people. And this zone leads into Little Nightmares, which is what we're about to go through. And you're walking through Little Nightmares. Oh, they did put a bungee here. Heck yeah. Can't see them, but there's a bungee there. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that witch mask. That's cool.
Yeah, that one's freaky.
No, man. Oh, no. That's cool looking. Look at this girl. Knocking on the door.
Wait, what's that right now?
Giant scissors. That's cool. I love it. Got him. Oh, that's creepy looking. Look at this guy. Ooh. Oh, that was loud. If anyone's watching, that bush, best scare spot.
The best spot.
No one knows about that bush.
Check out this music, guys.
You guys hear that? It's not obnoxious dubstep music.
I mean,
And of course, the year that we're not here is when they play it.
it's still dubstep.
But it's not like the
It's
same
not the
playlist and not as obnoxious. I could not be more happy. It's wonderful that they changed the music. I hated that music so much. So we're on our way to Black Spot. And I'm really curious to see how packed this zone gets with there being fiends right there, tigress, and then also a house. Because on busy nights, Saturday nights, this house gets a really long line, so I'm curious to see how all this is gonna happen. All right, we just got off Tigress. Forgot how awesome that ride was. So much fun. And look, friends!
I love this stuff.
New friend.
Oh my
Old friend.
god.
New old friend. What's up, buddy?
Whoa.
Oh my god, all the people. Now that that unexpected reunion is over, we're about to go through Black Spot. If you guys watch for a while, you know that we're not the biggest fans of the house, so hopefully,
Maybe they changed it up enough this year to where
Yeah.
we'll be fans.
yeah, hopefully they've changed it. And
I mean, they keep adding stuff that's, you know, cool. But
yeah, they made one update last year, so we'll see what updates they do. Hopefully this year.
What do ye be marked with the black?
I hope it's me.
I want you to be very alert. Be first. Like the best of us. You have learned the black spot.
I'll pick my teeth with the bow. Look, 2 of my nails. I don't know why.
Get me out of here!
Y'all be hurt. I'll send the hangman after you.
Alright, so we just got a black spot, and
It's as everybody expected.
it's more of the same.
Nothing's changed really.
And not like blaming the actors or anything, but it's just not our favorite house. Alright, DOA time. There's a lot of Don't be that guy. Yeah, it's a lot more compact too.
Oh yeah, they added a lot of.
I hear a chainsaw. You guys remember these things? From a scare zone a couple years ago? And in case you guys didn't know, the Crash Test clowns are now Crash Test hillbillies. Here we go. It's time for the new house. Let's see how it goes.
Get out! Watch out! You wear this house will take you away. What's cooking? You are!
knows that I've trespassed against us. That he has not press from evil.
Something young and tender. You better wake up, people! Take the voices down! Take them down!
Oh God, lights. No.
the streets!
Where's all the things at? They like took it all out. And there weren't really that many scare actors over in like the Midway area. Was there just this? What? What? Going through the Carpe Noctem. We've got a bunch of coffins you can take a picture in. So this is what they were talking about. This is cool. Look at that. I like it.
They're everywhere. Watch out!
Got her. No. Yeah.
You come to play?
Oh boy.
Come here.
It's the Huggable. Time to go through our favorite house of last year. You can vaguely hear Marilyn Manson, so I might have to cut. Yeah, I might have to cut the beginning part of this video. Oh man, that got me.
Don't point that at me, I might go off.
Yeah. Holy shit. Hey, I know that. That's cool.
Can you help me me get out of this room?
I don't know how to get out of this room. Wow, that's intense.
That was always good.
Yeah.
That was a good house. They changed that.
They changed a lot of it.
So nice.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that puppet from...
Oh, the circus house?
Well, that one. They have the circus one, and they also have the ginormous one from Unearthed.
Oh yeah, the
Whenever you used to go
animatronic.
Yeah.
Yeah, they repurposed the animatronic from the Unearthed like cube, which I thought was awesome. I'm glad they
That
kept
thing's
that.
like what?
Massive.
20 feet?
Yeah, I think it's huge. Man, probably a lot of money, which is why they repurposed.
Oh my god, but I'm so glad because I was so worried when they took out that portion of Unearthed that it would go to waste.
Yeah.
It did not go to waste.
Yeah, that house was awesome. Definitely the best house of the night.
So, super great.
So we're gonna go through again, but look at the line. All right, this is opening night, 10:30, and it's just a walk-on for one of the most popular houses of last year. It's time to take a trip to the bayou. What's funny is this is the Fast Pass line. This is the regular queue. The Fast Pass line has more people in it than just the regular line. Hello. Always.
Come back this year?
No, unfortunately not.
Well, now you're on the menu.
Perfect.
You got a good appetite.
Damn, that actually got me. Oh, the vortex. Oh, yes. That's so cool. Shit, I can't see. Oh god. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh shit, okay.
Open your eyes!
Hello. Oh shit, damn. That was good. Oh shit, damn.
Do it yourself food, doll.
Nobody buy anything.
All right, so that was a really good run through.
Yeah.
I had 3 people actually scare me. Like I got jump scared. It was really good.
Saw lots of friends. It was
Yeah.
a cool house.
Yeah, it was awesome. A lot of fun. Good run through. Chainsaw friend.
That girl is like I didn't go through this. So I don't know where they're coming from. And I was like, okay,
In his way, the meat
Get some fresh meat. Oh,
This is the best guy ever.
Come here, boy!
Yes! I love him. I love that guy so much. Alright, now it's for real time to go through Simon's. Okay.
straight ahead. I ain't got all night for more. You don't want to keep my family waiting. That's my name, my family waiting. They just have to be hooked up, yanked them right through.
So we just got through Simon's.
It's not bad though.
It's definitely, when we went through just now, better than what it was last year. I'll say that. One guy got me pretty good. How'd you enjoy it? How'd you like it?
loved it. They added more stuff than they had last year, which was nice. I think definitely, obviously the actors were more into it this time, because I think last year every time we would go through, they weren't bad, but
no, it's not that they were
this
bad.
one they were going hard, and I think they did good. They added a lot of stuff, which was nice. So
yeah, tons of fun. What a night. Very long and exhausting night.
night one down.
Yeah, and we'll be back again tomorrow.
Sure
super
will.
fun though. We met a lot of people. Saw a lot of you guys that watched the videos, which was awesome.
Thanks for saying hi to us,
Yeah,
everyone.
love that. And of course, got to see a bunch of our old friends.
Yeah, in houses, as guests.
Yeah.
It was nice. And you guys gave us some pretty good scares, so thank you.
Yeah, I think I got scared the most in Deathwater. That was the house that got me the most. I think out of everything though, Insomnia and Motel Hell were probably my two favorites, which is very interesting.
They were good.
Yeah, it's interesting because, you know, they're older houses. I don't know how I feel about the new house yet. I haven't made a decision, so.
Yeah, we'll make our final decisions at the end of the season.
Yeah.
Do
But
like
for
some
night,
nice final reviews.
for night
but
one though, I mean, like it was
Yeah.
good, all around fun time.
It was very empty guest-wise.
Yeah.
We like walked on to every house almost. It was a little empty actor-wise also.
Yeah, it didn't seem like there was a lot of scare actors running around, but who knows?
Or
it is
in the
opening
houses,
night, so.
but
And it just could have been like, you know, run-throughs that we went through. But either way, it was a fun night. I love the update to the music around the park.
oh yeah.
The atmosphere is a lot different because I hated that dubstep music.
I love the Marilyn Manson.
Oh, yeah, and Insomnia?
Insomnia.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Heck yes.
Tons of fun. We're gonna be back tomorrow. We're gonna take some pictures, probably go through some scare zones and stuff. I don't know how much video we'll be
Just
doing.
play
but
it by ear. 'Cause,
yeah.
I mean, we're pretty exhausted from tonight.
We'll be back again tomorrow. But either way, all in all, a fun night. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you do see us around the park for Howl-O-Scream, any reason, feel free to say hi. Till next time.
Stay spooky.